Good morning to everyone. How are you? So I hope you are doing well. So this year you have promoted to 8th standard. So I welcome you all in this new academic year. Okay. So this year I am going to teach English second. So you know English, right? From your lower grades you have been learning English. How to write, how to speak, how to read. So you know all the things, right? But in English we have grammar. Okay, so some students they are afraid about grammar. Okay, they have some doubts. So whatever maybe, so I am going to teach you grammar. So you know what is grammar? What grammar? It is a set of rules. Okay, so grammar, all the languages we have grammar. Okay, so it is set of rules. You know the languages, what are maybe English, Tamil, Urdu, Kannada, Malayalam, all the languages in this world, they have their own rules, how to read, how to speak. Okay, so their rules, it is rules. In English also we have the rules, understand? So we have SLRW, that means speaking, listening, reading, writing. That speaking and writing, that is what output. Okay, so that in that output, whenever we speak or we write, we will make sentences. Okay, that sentences, it is outcome of, or from our mouth or from our hands. So that sentences, it is made up of what? Words. Okay, so whenever a group of words being together, they will be in the form of sentence, right? So each sentence, they have the words, it is called a parts of speech. Okay, so we have the body. Each in our body we have many parts, right? Each part, that means head, eyes, ear, mouth, hands, legs, and our inner parts, heart, lungs. So all the parts, they have their own work. Like that, in the parts of speech also, each words, they are doing their own work, right? So what are the parts of speech? You know, right? From your lower grade, you have been learning parts of speech, right? So what are the parts of speech? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, right? So all the things you have been learning from your lower grades, right? You know all the things, what it is. If it is, what it is, if it is noun, it is a naming word. But some students, they can't say an example for, okay, what the things in the parts of speech. Okay, so I will say short in that. So first, it is noun. What is noun? You know what it is? Noun, it is a naming word, right? It is a name of a person or place or animal or thing or idea. So whatever may be, whenever you call a thing as a name, it is called what? Noun, right? So that is noun. Whenever you call a person, so you have your friends, how you call? By their name, right? You have many family members, how you call? By their name, right? So like that, whenever you call a person, it is what? A particular person, it is noun. Then the animals, elephant, cow, dog, cat, the birds. Okay, each things they have their names. Okay, so all that are called what? Nouns. Understand? So whenever you call a living animal, it is noun. Next it is what? Place. Okay, you know what are the places? So in the pictures you have some place, so that is it has their name. Okay, maybe it will be the river or mountain or hill or forest or the places, particular places. Okay, so your home, when your house it is in particular place, our school it is in particular place, so all it is what? Noun, because it is name. Then like that, countries, all the countries they have their own name, right? So this is what? Noun. Understand? Next it is what? Next, things. Whenever you call by a thing as a name, it is noun. Understand? So you know what, in our you have your books, pen, pencil, specs. So living things, maybe eatable things, shoes, cup, plants. Okay, all the things are what? Noun. Okay, you are call, you identify a thing by their name, so it is what? Noun. Understand? So if all the things they have their name, without name no the things are there. Okay, so all the things are noun. Next, ideas. Okay, what is ideas? So ideas, something you get from your inner mind, your feelings, so that is also what? Noun. Understand? So noun, you know what are the things are noun? Naming word. Okay, name of a person, or name of a place, or name of a animals, name of a countries, name of a thing, everything it is called noun, right? So here in our picture, nurse is there. Okay, nurse, doctor, patients, so all are called what? Noun. Then eatable thing it is there. What? Cake. That is also what? Noun, right? Whatever may be the eatable things. Then books. You have your books, each your books, English book, maths book, science book, social book. So all it is called as what? Noun. Okay, because it has the separate name. Then plants. Maybe some plants have the separate name, right? Rose, jasmine, lily. Some many names are there. Okay, so these are also what? Noun. Then second one it is pronoun. What is pronoun? Any idea? Pronoun it is a word used instead of noun. Okay, the words is used in the place of noun, it is called pronoun. Okay, so some words are there if there is a sentence. If you are right, or if you are going to speak a sentence, if you are point out some person, okay, or something, so in all the whole sentence you are going to speak the particular name. Okay, so instead of that name you can speak particular pronoun. Okay, if there is a boy you can speak he, or you can write he. If it is a girl you can write she. Understand? So it is called what? Pronoun. Okay, so I, first one, it is what? I. If you are pointing yourself, it is I. So if you are pointing someone, okay, it is common, it is what? You. So if it is group about yourself, okay, so you are the students studying from 8th, so you can say we are studying from 8th. Okay, so we. Then they, you are finding a group of people from other. Okay, then he, if it is what? Some. If it is maybe a boy, you can point out as a he. Then if it is girl, you can point out as she. And if it is a thing, maybe living thing or non-living thing, it is what? It or that. So many pronouns are there. She, you can use she or her. Then he or him. Then they. If it is group of people, they or them. Then these are the what? Pronouns. Use. So the pronouns, it is means use instead of what? Noun. Understand? So lot of pronouns are there. So when we are going to see in brief, we will discuss all the pronouns in our grammar book. Understand? So next it is what? Adjective. Okay, so what is adjective? Do you know? An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, what does it mean? Adjective means it, it is going to describe a noun or a pronoun. Noun means a naming word. Understand? So if it is going to describe about the noun, it is adjective. Okay. Okay, in adjective, the first picture, it is what? Clown. Okay, so how it is? Who it is? Clown it is? He is like a funny, okay, person. It is pointing out a person, funny clown, right? So that funny word, it is adjective. So describing the clown, who it is. Understand? The next one, it is a picture of desert. So it is describing a place, right? How it is, how the place it is, how it is hot. Okay, hot desert. Okay, so first picture, it is describing a person, and second, it is describing a place. Understand? Then next one, egg. So how it is? It is broken egg. Understand? Then next picture, mom. Okay, how she is? Busy mom. So that busy is what? Adjective. Understand? So mom, it is noun. So that busy is adjective. The next picture, what? Apple. What color it is? Red apple. Okay, so red, it is describing what color it is, what the thing it is. So red. So it is describing the apple. Then shiny penny. Okay, the coin. How it is? It is shiny. So shiny penny. So shining, it is adjective. Then park. Fun park. So the word fun, it is adjective. Understand? So next it is verb. So what is verb? Do you know? So you know what, in the from the picture itself, you can see what? Action word. Okay, verb means action word, right? So whatever the actions, maybe playing, reading, writing, okay, jumping, dancing, so all the actions are what? Verb. Understand? Then we have some examples. The first example, it is what? Let's see in the picture. Run. So he is running. So it is what? It is a he is running. So that is action. Okay. So that run, it is action word. So that is verb. Then playing. He is playing in the ground. So play, it is what? Action word. Crying. Okay. So he is doing. He is crying. So it is what? Action word. Then drinking. Okay. Drink. He drinks some water. So drink, it is what? Action. Then looking. That also what? Action. Then listen some song. That is also what? Action. Then write. Building something. Okay. Riding. Knocking. Laughing. Okay. Hugging. Dancing. Drawing something. Okay. I draw a picture. It is also what? Action. Then clapping. Okay, so when you clap, you'll get sound. So that is what? Action. Okay. Then painting on the wall, it is also what? Action. Then brushing the hair, action. So calling someone, okay, or speaking to someone, that is also what? Action. Okay. Then kissing. Okay. Then reading. So if you are reading something, that is also what? Action. Kicking, that is also what? Action. Then climbing, jumping, yawn. So all the things are action word. Understand? So verb, it is what? Action word. So there are two types of verb. That is what? One, it is action word, and one, it is be verb. When you are going to learn brief, we will see that. Okay. So action word and helping verb. Understand? So next on, it is what? So next one of the parts of speech, it is adverb. You know what is adverb? Okay, any idea? So adverb, when it will happen, or what extent, so where it will happen, in what manner, or how. So that is what? Adverb. Okay. So we have some rules. So we already learned adjective means it describe about noun. Okay. But adverb means it describe, okay, or modifies a verb, or adjective, or adverb. Understand? So first one, it is what? A verb. He, it is what? Pronoun. Drove slowly. So drove, it is what? Verb. Okay. So it modifying verb. How he drives slowly. Okay. So it is what? The slowly, it is adverb. Then second example, an adjective. It modifies an adjective. He drove a very fast car. Okay. So he, it is pronoun, drove verb, a article, very, that is what? Adjective. Then fast car. Okay. Then another one is adverb. She moved quite slowly down the aisle. Okay. So she moved quite slowly. So it slowly, it is also a adverb. Okay. But it modifies the adverb. Understand? So it is another adverb. So it modifies another adverb. So adjective means, or sorry, adverb means it modifies a verb, and adjective or adverb. Then we have another one example. She danced beautifully. Okay, she means subject, danced verb. Then how she danced beautifully. Okay, so she danced beautifully. That beautifully it is adverb. Okay, so it is adverb. So adverb means modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Understand? So this is adverb. Okay, so you will have the question as when, what extent, where, in what manner, and how. So if you ask these questions, you will get the adverb. Understand? So the next parts of speech, it is what? Preposition. What is preposition? So I am going to say that word, preposition. Preposition. Okay, so preposition, that means position of noun. Okay, so the preposition shows the relation of noun or a pronoun to the other words. Okay, it shows the position. So we have lot of prepositions. We have some examples also. First one, it is to. Okay, I took them to the beach. So that to, it is what? Preposition. Then I had like to go to the cinema. So to, it is what? Preposition. Then from, she comes from Japan. So I ran from home to the gym. So here the from, the words from, it is what? Preposition. So it comes before the noun, right? So Japan, it is the name of the country, or home, it is a name word. So before that it comes, so it is what? Preposition. Then into, I walk quickly into the room. So into comes before the room. Okay, particular the name. So it is what? Preposition. Then get into the car. Get into. So into, it is what? Preposition. Like that we have on. I was late and got on the first bus. Then off, along, through, across, towards, over, under. So many prepositions are there. Okay, so in short, preposition means what? The relation of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, it comes before the noun or pronoun. It shows the um, position of a noun or pronoun. The next one, it is conjunction. Okay, next, conjunction, junction. From the word itself, there is some, you heard that word from, normally, right? Junction, what it is? A common place, right? So if there is a junction, from that junction you will you have many roads, it will divide it, right? That is what? Conjunction. Okay, so that junction, it will connect the roads, right? So there are like that also. If there is a two sentence, or two words, or two phrase, or two class, it will connect that. Okay, so that the work of conjunction. Okay, so a conjunction is a word that join two words, phrase, or class. So there you have some examples. We have listened, so we listened eagerly. So that is one part. Then he brought news of our families. Okay, so this both, it is connected by for, right? We listened eagerly, for he brought news of our family, right? Then second one, it is and. How it connects? She didn't speak to anyone, so it is one part. Nobody speaks to her. Okay, so she didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. Understand? So it is the second example. Then third one, no, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. Okay, this also two sentence and it will be connected by a word. Okay, like that we have but they rushed into hospital, so they were too late. So but connected by but. Then I will go shopping or I will go camping, so or it is connecting word. Okay, Kelly was a convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. Okay, so like that the conjunction, it will connect the word, right? So what is conjunction? Connecting word. A conjunction is a word that joins two words or phrase or classes in a sentence. Understand? Next it is interjection. So what is interjection? So it is also interjunction, so it is not junction like the conjunction. Okay, so interjunction, it is a word that expresses sudden strong feeling of joy, surprise or sorrow or etc. Anything. Okay, so we have some examples. Hooray, we won the match. So that is what? So some expressions. Okay, then second one is congratulations, you have a baby girl. Oh, we lost him. So oh, it is what? Expression. Then yeah, I got her number. Okay, Jesus, you saved me from those culprits. Okay, so this expression. Good, so we can start a new beginning. Hey, get out from of the car. So yes, you are right. So these all the expressions. Okay, so it is the strong feeling or joy or surprise or sorrow, anything. Okay, so it will have the what? Exclamation mark also. This is what? Interjunction. Understand? So far we have learned the parts of speech. What are the parts of speeches? Noun. What does it mean? Noun means name of person, place, animal, thing or idea. Okay, then pronoun means what? The word used instead of noun. Okay, in the place of noun. Then adjective, it describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, what? Adjective. Then verb, it is action word, right? Then adverb, it modifies a verb or an adjective or an another verb. Then preposition, position, relation between noun or pronoun. Then conjunction, connection word. Okay, interjunction, expression. Then we have a sentence. Okay, a little monkey hangs confidently by a branch. So the first one, it is the. That is what? So each it is the sentence. Each sentence, it is each parts of speech. Understand? So first one, it is the article, so that we will learn later. Then little monkey, so monkey, it is noun. How the monkey it is? How? Little. Okay, then hangs, action word, verb. Then confidently, so how? Okay, then by means it is preposition. Then a article, where? Branch, that is also noun. Okay, then another one sentence. The old tired man was sitting under a tree and patiently waiting for his son to arrive. Okay, it is a big sentence. So there it is what? Article. Okay, old tired man. Okay, old tired, both are adjective. Okay, it is describing who? Man. Understand? Then was sitting. So I told you sitting, it is action word. Okay, then was, it is helping verb. Okay, be verb, yeah, you be verb, have verb in our tenses. So was, it is helping verb. Then under, where it is? Under, down. Okay, preposition. Then yeah, article. Tree, noun. Then conjunction, and it is what? Connecting word, conjunction. Then patiently, how waiting, patiently. Then waiting, it is verb. Okay, so adverb. Then for, preposition. Then his, it is okay, that old man, pronoun. Son, noun. To arrive, okay, action word. Okay, so this is what? Prepositions, sorry, parts of speech. Okay, so all the sentences, they have their own parts of speech. So this is parts of speech. If you have any doubts, you can interact with Zoom section. Thank you.